So here we are, and we're getting Eli his first pet. Right, Eli? Tell him what you got.
Fish.
You gonna show him?
Fish.
Yeah.
Fish.
Yeah, you get it, so it's what?
What are you gonna name him?
Powder. Powder the fish.
I need to change his water. Powder the fish. You got a little better, didn't you? So this is gonna be Eli's responsibility. All the kids have a responsibility as far as pets go. Olivia gets to change the cat litter and feed and water them. Isaac gets to change Greg the bunny's litter and feed and water him. Alex feed and waters Clark. And now Eli, you're gonna take care of, what'd you call him? Powder? Powder the fish. With Mommy's assistance, of course. You're gonna feed him every day, right? With Mama's help. And we'll clean his tank once a week. All right. Are you excited? You excited for your big responsibility of caring for a pet? You're going to take good care of him? Okay. Here we go. Say hi, Ever Rose.
Hi, Mom.
Hi, Ever Mom. Okay. And I thought while we were here, we'd take a quick look at the yarn. Right, babe? Maybe they got something new we don't know about.
What was that?
Maybe they got something new here on sale.
What did you say before that?
I said, I thought we'd take a quick look at the yarn.
Yeah, I heard you.
Oh. They don't. Nothing new. Same stuff. I wonder if Walmart's all around have the same prices of yarn. What's the prices for your guys's? Write it in the comments. At your Walmart. My Carolyn Soft is $2.94, and then my Super Saver is the same price too. I'm curious to know. Let me know in the comments what your yarn runs at your Walmart. All right, let's go. I guess. I just don't care for that Walmart yarn.
Hi.
Sit down, buddy.
Okay, let's go look at this. Mandala's still on rollback, but not on clearance. All right. So we got Powder the fish's tank all set up.
Yeah.
There he is. He likes it. He's got his little submarine to hide in.
Hey,
What? And flowers, those little plants. Anything's better than that old nasty little bowl he was in at Walmart. We saved his life. There he is. I think he likes it.
He likes it.
I think he does. There he is.
Everybody get one.
Yeah.
Pumpkin.
So you're going to take good care of him, Eli?
I guess so.
No, it's your responsibility. You're going to help feed him and you got to clean him.
Fish. Look.
Once a week.
Yeah, I'm good at that.
You're good at that? Oh,
Do that.
all right. Eli, you going to tell everybody bye?
Bye. Hope you see my fish again.
Over here.
Bye. Hope you see my fish again.
Hope you see my fish again. They will. And I didn't leave Walmart without yarn. I actually had some. I know when I was there I didn't buy any, but I actually had some delivered there. So I bought some online and I picked it up. So some show on the ball. I'll show you real quick. And this is all I got. I just had it ordered from Walmart.com. 2 balls of the black and white and gray Shauna ball. And 2 of this really pretty green one. Graceful green. I did not have these 2 colors, so. And they were pretty cheap on Walmart.com. So I ordered 2 of each color. So even though I technically went to Walmart and didn't purchase any yarn, I did have these that I ordered online, and I picked them up from the store. So I guess I really didn't leave Walmart without any yarn. So, but anyways, thanks for joining us on our little adventure, getting Eli a little fish so he can learn a little bit of responsibility. Thanks, everybody.